Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're going to be talking about the SYLVANIA Eco LED light bulb. This innovative and energy-efficient light bulb is a game changer when it comes to illuminating your space while also reducing your energy consumption. The SYLVANIA Eco LED light bulb is the perfect replacement for traditional 60W incandescent bulbs, providing the same level of brightness with only 9W of power. That means you'll be saving money on your energy bills while also reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win with a lifespan of up to 7 years. This light bulb is designed to stand the test of time, delivering reliable and consistent performance for years to come. And with a brightness of 750 lumens and a soft white color temperature of 2700 K, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in any room. Not only that, but this light bulb is non-dimmable and frosted, providing a smooth and even light distribution without any harsh glare or flickering. And with a pack of 8 bulbs, you'll have more than enough to light up your entire home or office. So, if you're looking to make the switch to energy-efficient lighting without sacrificing brightness or quality, the SYLVANIA Eco LED light bulb is the perfect choice for you. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your lighting and start saving money in the long run. Click the link and make the switch to SYLVANIA Eco LED light bulbs today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.